How do you add a video caption on iPhone but manually? Let me show you how it could work. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it all comes down to the software which you want to be using, your videos to get at the captions, because there are plenty of them, and you probably know that there are so many automatic ones. But if you want to do it manually, let's say I'm gonna set up with use the CapCut video editor, which is fine, right? I can just start my project, import the clip into the timeline, and I'm not going to use the automatic captions button, but instead I'm going to click the text or the selection button at the bottom, so you can see the T there. I'm going to click on a text, add a text, and I'm going to type in the words or phrase right here. So of course I'm doing it manually, right? And the way that it would work is that I of course get to decide the font and the size and everything like that. But as I say, the point is that you have to make sure that you do it manually, meaning that you can see that at the bottom in the timeline, you get to browse and decide how long it's going to be. And you will have to like manually track the speech to make sure everything matches together. So it is a bit more of a work to make sure it works properly, but that is a nice way to make it manual instead of automatic. And that way you'll have to go through the whole video to get the text and captions next to every single spoken word. So that is definitely a good idea if you want to be precise and if you don't want to rely on the automatic option. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. Subscribe for more tutorials and explanation videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.